Eugene Hamilton is a global speaker, education consultant, and professional development coach. His 20-year career as an educator and organizational leader has afforded him the opportunity to impact thousands of lives throughout the United States and internationally in such places as England, Bermuda, Zimbabwe, the Virgin Islands, and Canada. Mr. Hamilton began his career in the Everman, Texas Independent School District, and most recently served as the Director of Community and Academic Partnerships at Loma Linda University in Southern California.
Kids that we serve right now who sometimes what they need from us is not more homework, sometimes they need some hard work. Sometimes the kids that we serve, even right now, even though they show up and sometimes they're doing stuff they have no business doing, even though sometimes we find them engaged in conversations or in things that we say, oh, wow, you're doing that. All they need sometimes is a little bit of love from you. But how can I love them if I don't love myself? So first of all, we gotta have some self-love. And then secondly, we gotta have love for those that we are working with.
Eugene Hamilton, what can I say? He came in, spoke to the faculty and staff, and he did what needed to be done. He was so motivating, he was so captivating, he was so relatable.
Man, this guy is so cool, he's so inspiring. He wanted to speak about something that I think pretty much everybody can resonate with, and that's just like motivation. You just have to keep going. You just have to keep fighting.
He spoke to 1,000 of my staff members to really lit this fire and this passion and this excitement to really start the 25-26 school year with a level of passion and be ready to pour that passion directly into our students.
You can do whatever you want to do. You gotta first just believe in you. You're powerful. You're gifted. You're special. You got skills. You got talent. You got gifts. And I want you to understand this. Don't let anybody, because of the color of your skin, tell you that you cannot make a difference, that you cannot make a change, and that you cannot help this world become a better place.
I would highly recommend Eugene Hamilton.
He is phenomenal.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend bringing Eugene in. I think he definitely brings a different perspective from other keynote speakers.
This was easily one of the best professional development sessions, very motivational.
Eugene is in high demand to inspire change and ignite passion within the lives of audiences of all ages.